and welcome back to another episode of Sapna's Kitchen Diaries. Whenever we have guests over, one of the first things we wonder is what should I cook? Today, I would love to share with you a very simple yet delicious paneer recipe. It's quick to prepare and I'm sure your guests will really enjoy it. So let's get started. For preparing our gravy, I have got 3 chopped onions here, 4 chopped tomatoes, and I have also chopped some capsicum in dice. I have kept it bigger to give a nice texture in our gravy, and I've done the same with onions, and we'll figure it out later what we are gonna do with that. And I've also got 2 big cloves of garlic. My gloves are really big. You can use more if you want to, it's a smaller size. And I've got grated ginger as well in here. So this is all what we need for our gravy. Here I have a pan heating up already. To that we'll add 3 to 4 spoons of oil. And then we'll add cumin seeds, some whole spices, bay leaf, a cardamom, a stick of cinnamon stick, and asafoetida. Now we'll go further and add chopped onions to that. Stir it well. We'll add some salt so it makes cooking process a bit faster. It's roughly around 8 to 10 minutes, and as you can see our onions are golden brown. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Mix it well and cover the pot and let it cook on low to medium heat. After 5 minutes, we are going to add ginger and garlic, which we have prepared already, and stir it well. And we are gonna cover the pot again and let it cook. While our tomato and onion is cooking, I have got a pan in here. To that, I have added roughly 5 spoons of oil, and we are gonna saute the diced onions. Make sure the heat is on low to medium. And we are gonna cook the onion till it's golden brown. Our onions are ready, so we are gonna take it out. After the onions, we are gonna saute the capsicum and till it's golden brown. And don't forget to stir the gravy in between to avoid sticking at the bottom of the pan. Roughly after 2 to 3 minutes, our capsicum has turned golden brown, so now it's time to take it out. Now back to our gravy. As you can see, our onion and tomatoes are very well cooked. Now it's time to add our saute onions and capsicum. Now I'm going to add some spices. I have taken 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, a spoon of cumin and coriander powder. I have also added 2 spoons of Paneer Masala. It's easily available at Indian grocery stores. After adding all the spices, mix it well. Turn down the heat, then add some water to keep the masalas from burning and to bring out its flavors. gravy is simmering and almost done. While that's cooking, I'll get the paneer ready and chop some coriander for garnishing. I have added the paneer cubes and now I'm sprinkling in some kasuri methi. Give it a gentle stir. Now it's time for tempering. I have some oil heating up here and I'm adding a couple of spoons of Kashmiri chili powder, followed by a little water. This is the magic touch that takes the curry to the next level, adding a burst of flavor and giving it that rich restaurant-style taste. And here, our paneer curry is all ready. For garnishing, I'm adding some crumbled paneer and freshly chopped coriander. And of course, no paneer curry is complete without onions. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Just to let you know all, my videos have English and Hindi subtitles to make them easier to follow. And don't forget our usual, like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you soon.